You have questions and we have the answers. We've compiled the top 10 questions every dentist asks before joining Ahead Dental Academy. Stop guessing, start mastering. Can I practice on patients? Yes, hands-on is our foundation. What if I'm scared of surgery? We teach troubleshooting, so you stop fearing and start planning. Is this just theory? Never. 90% of our course is chairside. Will I get one-on-one help? Always. Small batches are our rule. How soon can I see results? Most see a confidence shift in 2 weeks. Can I learn digital workflows? We teach the latest, including iOS. What about endo? We make RCTs predictable. Is it worth the investment? If you want to stop referring cases, the course pays for itself. Do you provide certificates? Yes, but your skills matter more. How do I join? Call us right now. You're looking for a sign to bridge the gap between graduate and expert. This is it. Stop wondering if you're ready. Come get ready with us. Don't wait for your career to stall. Join the next batch at Ahead Dental Academy. Visit us and follow us for more amazing videos that will change your clinical career.